How far are we heading? How far? Close? Okay, just up here. Not far.
Hi vlog! Hello! Welcome to Leyte!
Piriposin like a rock. Piriposin. Mama, apa dito? Paunon. Bingbing, nana bingbing day? Where's bingbing? Tapos kulahan?
Yo muere si mamá. I don't know.
Hey, come on, you're the expert.
I'm not expert.
You are expert.
No, I'm just still learning. I'm not doing it. ¿Cuál name was mama?
There's a reason that you weren't at school yesterday.
Because I met someone. I need to pay attention on him, right?
Oh, right. Okay. Who was that someone?
He's a kind of special someone.
Really?
Yeah,
Do I know him?
exactly.
Exactly, no?
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
Kanita ng pudahos pa?
Ada po tumukuha.
Maana. I think I need to
Do
do my hair first. Wow. You know what? I'm not expert, so
I was told you was. You're a chef.
no.
Chicken adobo.
I'm just a baker like
Okay,
that.
okay.
I'm not actually a chef.
But I thought you were studying cooking, you said.
Just a bread and pastry.
No adobo.
Not yet. I'm not that expert. It's okay, yeah. As long as I can cook, then you can eat.
I will.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? Come on. So you've got your garlic.
I'm cutting. I'm onion and garlic.
Onion and garlic. Okay.
The main.
What are the other ingredients? Swing round, no?
This one.
Tell me, yeah.
Sauce. Soy. I mean the.
Okay, soy sauce.
Soy.
What were these? I heard the English name earlier from your brother and I forget, but
It is. What do we call it? Is it tawagan pa?
your father told me already.
Ano? Paminta.
Paminta. Paminta.
Paminta.
Yeah,
Saya.
it is one of their. It makes the food more smelly good. Yeah.
Fragrance.
Yeah.
Okay.
But why? But I just put it later.
What's the magic?
Makes more the food tasty.
Magic?
Magic syrup.
Sarap. Okay.
It means tasty. Sarap.
Okay, cool.
Magic tasty. Am I a vlogger here?
You are, and you have a Noor stock cube, which I can't believe.
Yeah, it's
Which we
Nor-
have in England. Okay.
Oh, you have it also.
Same. Yeah, I always use when I cook.
Garlic.
Garlic and onion. Okay, cool. So in it goes to the oil pan.
Then no waste. Onion.
Onion?
Yeah. Onion.
And the leaves that we don't know the name, yeah?
Paminta.
Paminta in Visaya.
Bisaya.
Visaya. Okay.
Chicken.
Chicken goes in. Okay. Whoa!
Toyo lang. Silver swan.
Soy sauce, yeah? Okay, so this
Magic
is
sarap.
Magic Sarap.
Dinner, lunch.
Okay.
We have a adobo, chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo
And
with
we have rice. Yeah, that are simple for
okay.
lunch. Yes,
And in a minute we shall taste.
let's smell it.